Hi kids, welcome back to another session of social science. In your previous social studies session, you have learnt about universe, galaxy, star and satellite. Now let us recall these topics. The universe is a vast, endless space. This space consists of various heavenly bodies such as the sun, planets, stars, and the moon. You have also learned that a star is a ball of hot gases. Children, in last class, we also learnt about galaxy. So, what is a galaxy? Galaxy is nothing but a huge collection of stars along with gases and dust. There are many galaxies in the universe. Children, do you know in which galaxy is our planet Earth? Yes, our planet Earth is in a galaxy called Milky Way galaxy. This picture shows the location of our planet Earth in the Milky Way galaxy. It is marked as "You are here." Children, have you ever looked at the stars in the night sky? Do they all look same or different? Well, I think they look different and they are of different sizes, isn't it? However, all stars look very small because they are very far away from us, okay? Children, you also learned that stars have their own heat and light and they shine all the time in the sky. But you cannot see the stars during the day. Do you know why? It is because the light from the sun is so bright that you are unable to see the light of other stars in the sky. Kids, our planet Earth receives heat and light from the sun, which makes all forms of life on Earth, such as human beings, plants, and animals. Children, in your previous class, you have also learned about satellites. So, children, what is a satellite? A satellite is a heavenly body that revolves around a planet. Like planets, satellites also do not have their own light. Children, do you know how many satellites our planet Earth has? Right, only one. Our planet Earth has only one natural satellite and it is known as the moon. Children, this is the close-up picture of the moon. Look how beautiful it looks. In today's session, we will learn about the solar system. Children, you have already learned that the sun is also a star. Now look at this picture of solar system and tell the position of the sun in our solar system. Right, it is in the center of the solar system. Yes, the sun is in the center of the solar system. Students, you can also see that there are 8 round objects that move around the sun. These objects are called planets. 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 Children, there are 8 planets in our solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Children, this is the picture of our superhero, the sun. The sun is a huge ball of hot glowing gases. It is the largest member of the solar system. Children, this is the planet Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. It is also the closest planet to the sun. As it is very close to the sun, this planet is very hot and it does not support any form of life on it. Children, this is the planet Venus. Venus is the second planet in the solar system. It is the hottest planet in the solar system. It is also called as evening star or the morning star. Children, the next planet in the solar system is our beautiful planet Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is also the only planet known to support life. Do you know why Earth supports life? Yes, Earth has both land and water. Our planet is also surrounded by air. So, Earth supports life. Children, this is the planet Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in our solar system. Children, this is the planet Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun. It is also the largest planet in our solar system. Well, the next planet is Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It is called the ring planet because of the beautiful visible rings surrounding it. There are 7 rings around the planet Saturn. Children, the next planet is the Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. It is an ice giant. This planet is very cold and windy, but it looks very beautiful, isn't it? Neptune is the last planet and the 8th planet from the Sun. It is very cold and windy in this planet. Children, do you know that there was another planet named Pluto? Earlier, it was considered as the smallest planet in our solar system. But now, Pluto is no longer a planet. It is called a dwarf planet. Children, this is how all the 8 planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune revolve around the Sun in our solar system. Well, that's all for today, kids. Watch this video again and again to learn everything well. Bye bye, kids.